guys, this is Nimit Vitlani here, founder at Y Common Snacks. So the company's name is Y Common. You would wonder why the name is Y Common. Many people told me it starts with a negative name which is called Y, but I said the motive of the company is being different, being somebody who is uncommon, being a snack brand, knowing the industry which is changing so fast. People want more and more changes, they want new things into the snacking experience. So mainly I was a believer in Simon Sinek, who is my mentor in all these things, and he had a book called Start With Why, and we were in the process to sort out a name for our company, Common. So then the company's name is Y Common Initiative, where you can choose your things. Mostly we are into roasted snacks, we are into healthy snacks, we are into traditional snacks. So I would say now we are into, say, many of the cities in India. We are dealing online via our website also, and via many other e-commerce platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, and others. So all in all, starting the company was a bit difficult considering the Indian tax cultures, the registrations, the other things which I had to do. But then slowly and gradually we had everything in mind, and we caught up. In January we started the sales nicely. The numbers were picking up, the customer base was forming, and then we met with Corona, of course. So it was before Corona, which I would say I left my job say around November to start this company with this idea to into snacking. But I would say the food industry has not been affected so much, but yes, many of my plans, like, maybe it was a boon for us, I would not say. For the world it is very bad, and Corona has hampered many other businesses, I would say. And then from April, I would say, we picked up on sales. We started home delivering the snacks. So then we marketed on Facebook Marketplace, we marketed on other Amazon things. Even Amazon was off till April maybe. And then we came up with certain packaging ideas, certain ideas where we ourselves could do it at our place. So we have a small go down for us, and there we started doing it. So let's talk about the losses which we faced into Corona. Mainly it was the workforce which I didn't get. People were not allowed to go out. We were also locked into our homes. So yes, falling into the food category, we had an essential pass, where I had to pack the items and deliver it to the places of customers. Yeah. So talking about the future impact due to Corona, I would say many things would go online. People would change, move towards eco-friendly packaging, green packaging. We are also in the same concern where we'll shift some of the major products into eco-friendly packaging. Like we have a new concept which is coming in. So everyone has to move digital. So that is the new age. Payments have been digital, even ordering have been digital. So we are moving towards a future which is more digitally ahead, and so that is what I think, which Corona has changed for the good of the people. Many things will be in line, will be more professionally dealt like earlier days. And I wish everyone supports such movements, such small businesses where we grow together. I and my team would always want support from you guys. And last but not the least, we have deep respect and concern for people who have lost their lives in Corona, and I wish their families good wealth.